Hey, Nico here from Everything Cascadia and Beyond. We are coming to you from Goldstream Provincial Park, just outside of Victoria on Vancouver Island. We have Mount Finlayson, we have Saanich Inlet, the beautiful fjord I discussed in my last video, and we have Goldstream Estuary right here. So what exactly is an estuary, you might be asking? Well, it is basically a partially enclosed body of water that is subject to marine tides and fresh water drained from the land. In this case, upstream at Goldstream River. So basically Goldstream River, which is behind those trees there in between where I am and Mount Finlayson, the river and Saanich Inlet converge here. So an estuary is essentially the meeting point between fresh water and saltwater, the transition zone. And this Goldstream Estuary is a mix of salt marshes and tidal flats. And estuaries are actually critical for salmon spawning. So after the salmon come up the river and spawn, the hatchlings, as fry, develop into smolts, and they make their way to the estuary, where they undergo a process called smoltification. And that's basically metamorphic change in their body structure to better adapt to saltwater, as they are andromedous, meaning living in both freshwater and saltwater. So estuaries, as they are a blend of freshwater and saltwater, are critical to that transition. We have 3 species of Pacific salmon: the chum or dog salmon, Chinook salmon, which is the largest of the 5 species on the Pacific. The Chinook spawn further upstream past the visitor center, which is a few hundred meters away. The chum salmon spawn right in front of the visitor center. And then the third one is coho, which kind of spawn in coastal streams nearby, as well as in Goldstream River itself. So just a critical habitat for Pacific salmon, and just a lovely environment here. I just love looking at this estuary and seeing the beautiful Saanich Inlet fjord and the marshes and tidal flats. It's also a great sanctuary for bird species as well. So just very rich in biodiversity and very beautiful environment. So that is the lesson on estuaries. Thank you so much for watching. Everything Cascadia and Beyond is out. Bye.